enough that we always have something to get over. Oh, but when the night is deep, you find me in the streets, asking me to come over.
Guys, welcome to MobCompu. Guys, Apple just lists the product red iPhone. The color of this phone in red looks awesome to me. The one thing which is good for this year product red iPhone is that the front of the glass, means the front of the phone, is in black color rather than in white, which is a good thing, which is very good thing, better than good thing. Yeah guys, the next thing, the beauty of this means the white black color instead of the white color increases the beauty of the phone. Yeah, the last year there were many complaints that the black color means that the white color did not match with the black color and so on. Yeah guys, the red color is not for the iPhone X. This is only for iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. This is not for the iPhone X, but you get a red case for iPhone X if you want a color on your phone. Yeah, other specs are the same with a 11 bionic chip and so on. The phone just the color changed. Yeah, other specs are the same. This color is limited. This color is limited. Just like the last year, Apple canceled the product red iPhone in September. This means this year's iPhone 8 can also be cancelled in September. Yeah, means you have to buy it early. Yeah. They also announced the product red iPhone X case, which is good thing. Means if because you cannot get this on iPhone X, mean you can't get the red color on the iPhone X. Means if you want the iPhone X color, means if you want the red on iPhone X, then you can buy a case. Simply, don't need to buy another phone, but color is color and case is case. Yeah, it means you have to use the case if you want to your phone to look like red. Yeah guys, I think that's it for today's video. Yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, then give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.